Can you read deleted Wattpad stories? First, what we need to do is go to the App Store and search for Wattpad. Afterwards, what we need to do is click on the Wattpad application, and then afterwards, click on the cloud button or install option depending on the device that you have. Now let's check first and ask Google how to read deleted Wattpad stories, or can we read deleted Wattpad stories? As you can see, it is answered already that you cannot read Wattpad stories that have been permanently deleted by the author or removed by Wattpad. Once a story is deleted, it is gone and there is no way to restore it through the platform. You may be able to read it once again if the author is going to post it to a different platform. If not, you're not going to read it on Wattpad. As you can see, there is always a permanent deletion, Wattpad removal, and there is no official archive for the story that has been deleted. So, you cannot read deleted stories.